Hello, and welcome, guys, to today's trade recap. As you can see, the trade that I've told you about it, literally the last video of this, it is the trade breakdown or a thought process on the trade. Basically, I'm selecting and identifying my bias for the day, and as you can see, we banked a trade today with a 1 to 2.2 or 1 to 2.26 risk to reward, and it was kind of it's so fucking easy, bro. So fucking easy trade, so fucking easy setup. I'm going to go over now and show you the screenshot. It did not change, like the same screenshot. You can see even the video of the thought process, literally the last video before this one. You could go for it now and you can see it. So I'm going to show you now when what I want to see. So basically every single thing aligned with my strategy. So I have a higher time frame liquidity sweep. We swept out the I want to see price sweep out the Asian session highs and took out this buy side liquidity, and after that 15-minute break of structure to the downside, invalidate this order block, retraced back into some sort of continuation confluences, and then head down and take out these draws on liquidity. After that, what do we have here? We have price reverse into the 1 hour gap right here, put in SMT, liquidity got swept, we took out the Asian session highs, we took out the buy side liquidity. Then what I want to see price invalidate this 15-minute gap, and then what I want to see, a retracement back into this order block and some sort of 5-minute continuation confluences. What I am targeting, these sell side liquidity. I didn't want to target for these Asian session lows because the overall trend, the daily and the 4-hour trend are bullish, and I don't want to risk too much on this trade. So it will be good setup to target out these sell side liquidities. And after that, what happened? Boom. Literally to the bottom. And I'm going to explain it now even more. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up the like button. Let's hit that subscribe button so we can reach 180 legends before the end of May, before it even starts, bro. Let's get it. You're so amazing, guys. Thank you guys for all of your support, and thank you guys for everything, because without you I'm not doing this YouTube videos at all. So without that being said, let's get started. So on the daily, as I told you in the last video, the daily was kinda bullish, and today I wanted to see some sort of retracement because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 up candles in a row without on the daily, without even 1 day of retracement, and we have these this daily imbalance and this daily imbalance, and also on the weekday, I guess we have this weekly fair value gap that's going to probably, if there's some sort of internal range liquidity sweeping, we are most likely going to reverse, and that is what happened really. So on the 4-hour, what I'm seeing, it's a bullish order flow. Okay, what I want to see right here, if I see price push in and break structure on this, it is more likely the bullish trend is going to continue. If we retrace back into this and we swept out liquidity like we did right here, we swept out these 4-hour highs, and we still have these 4-hour lows and these 4-hour lows. So what I want to see, we have these 4-hour lows, it is marked out as my sell side liquidity, and we have these 4-hour highs that got swept on London session. So I'm going to now to the 1 hour. We have this during Asian session we made up this high. After that, we have these Asian session highs. Then at London session, we came up, we took out the Asian session highs, and we swapped out these highs. We refilled in the hourly fair value gap. And then what happened after that? We see price reverse into that. So We have a 4-hour liquidity sweep, 1-hour liquidity sweep, 1 hour fill in the fair value gap, and the order block on the 4 hours. So after that, scale down to the 15-minute. As you can see, we broke structure right here, and then we have this fair value gap got invalidated on the 15-minute. I guess like that. This is it. We broke structure, we invalidated this bullish fair value gap. What I want to see, we have this order block. Hold on, we have this new order block. Price tapped into the order block. What happened next? We retraced back into the CISD right here. This is the CISD. Basically, it works like an order block, a breaker block. I'm sorry. CISD changed in state of delivery, then retraced back into it. We saw internal range liquidity on the 5-minute got swept. We tapped into the order block. We tapped into the CISD, and then liquidity got swept. Internal range liquidity got swept. We have this 5-minute imbalance got invalidated. This bullish imbalance got invalidated. We retraced back into it, and then scaled down to the 1-minute. As you can see, after retracing back into it, we retraced back into the breaker block. Also right here we have the breaker. Hold on. This breaker block retraced into the breaker block, and then we have these lows. 1-minute break of structure before below these lows and the closer. Boom, enter off of that. Okay, now for my stop loss. Where I want to set my stop loss at. We have these 15-minute highs that I think it's a hourly high. It's basically an hourly high. This is the point, and this is what I want to set my stop loss based at. And with that, I wanted to give it a little space. As you can see, I don't put my stops at the highs completely. I started giving it more space, like 1 to 5 pips. That's what I usually do now. And then price came down, filled in this 15-minute gap, and then we came back into drawdown. At that time, I thought, I wasn't at school, to be honest. I didn't look at the charts. I don't have a phone. I forgot about it trade. I literally forgot about the trade. Then after that, what happened? Price almost hit my stop loss by 3 pips. Almost hit my stop loss, and then it did reverse and broke structure on the 15-minute. And after I got home, price was at this place. I really trusted the process. I really trusted the trade and trust my analysis, and the trade literally went down and smacked my one and only TP, which is right here. And the reason, and actually after hitting the TP, price started reversing up. So it's a very clear draw on liquidity. Very clear setup, very clear model. This is perfect setup, perfect model. If you didn't catch this trade, I don't know what happened to you, but you gotta stay patient, because some of you guys may enter right here. But as I showed you in the screenshot, that I will only enter if hold on, I will only enter if I see a rejection right here. If you want to see me identifying my buys for today's trade before I even took the trade, this is the thumbnail of the YouTube video. You can find it out just before this one. Just go. You know what? I will put it in the end of the video. You can see it. Alright. So without that being said, this is the trade recap of today. We banked today's trade. We haven't took any trades in the last week, but we stayed patient. We trust the process. We stay patient. Sit on your hand. You wait for your perfect setup, and then after that you execute your trade. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up that like button, and literally thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Peace out.